Hello everyone, my name is Olga and today I'm gonna show you an apart hotel in Antalya, Turkey that we stayed at for a week. Price quality, I would say that this was the best choice. For a week they charged us about 210 euros and the Airbnbs that we looked at were really bad for this price and the hotels were a bit more expensive. And what is better than Airbnb? Apart hotel has everything that a normal hotel has, which means it has a pool and 24-hour reception. You can check in and check out whenever you want. You do not need to negotiate it with your Airbnb host. And what is better than a normal hotel is that you will have a separate bedroom and a separate living area with a small kitchen and a balcony. So overall, for this price, this was the best option. Plus, this apart hotel looked really new and everything looked new and clean, which I cannot say about the Airbnbs that we saw, at least the Airbnbs that were from 30 to 50 euros a day. And as you can see in the bathroom, there is even a washing machine, which is really good if you're staying for a week or longer. Now I'm gonna show you what is around the apart hotel. This is a college, which says that this area is nice. There can be some noise from the college, but in our room we didn't hear it at all. On the left you see the hotel and on the right is college, and here also a small area where you can do a workout and take your children for a walk if you have them. There is also an area where you can sit outside if the weather is good, and in Antalya the weather is good almost all year round. Now I'm walking to the main road Hurma Mahallesi, and as you can see there is that apart hotel and here is the main street, and here you can see a small grocery shop. Shops like this you can find all around Turkey. And it is a small shop, but you can find everything you need for daily life here. Now I'm walking on the main street. Here you can see a bus stop. Buses that you can take here will take you all the way to the city center. This is a Turkish traditional restaurant. We went there once for a dinner. The service was nice, the food was good, so I can recommend it. This is Eczane Pharmacy, also on the main street. There you can see another cafe. Another grocery shop, which is the same as the previous one. And a third grocery shop, also on a big street. Vodafone office where you can buy a SIM card, and a rent-a-car office. You can find several of them along the street. Another cafe restaurant that serves sushi. We went here twice, also were satisfied with the service and with the food. Outside the hotel or on the main street, you will see yellow boxes like this. You just press a button and call for a taxi. The taxi will arrive and come pick you up. Here is the PTT office, it's a post office, and all over Antalya you will see rental agencies. This is an example, but I really recommend you to use the website sahibinden.com if you want to rent long term. I have a video about that, I will link to it in the description. Here I am getting closer to the beach. In this area you will find two cafes, Starbucks and Kava Dunyasi. This is Kava Dunyasi, they have a nice upstairs sitting area and the coffee is also good. Also in this area you will see all the ATMs that you might need. And now after about 20 to 25 minute walk you can get to the beach. This is the Konyalte beach. It is quite busy, but the water is really nice here. Also in this area next to the beach there is a nice Riviera restaurant. Here you can see the prices. We went there once and were really happy with the food. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this apart hotel, ask them in the comments. I will also link to it in the description. If this video was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.